Hello, my name's Lucas Haddock and I'm here with Tilly Beene, who's a business degree apprentice. Tilly, would you like to tell me about why you joined JCB?
Yeah, so I joined JCB in September of 2022 and I joined this apprenticeship scheme because I wasn't too keen on doing uni full time. It's not something that really interested me. I wanted to get into a business, learn how they work, see different departments and really get to grips with what it's like in the working world, and this was the perfect opportunity to do that.
That sounds brilliant. What do you think about degree apprenticeships compared to standardly going to uni? I mean, there's a lot of debt involved in it. What do you think are the advantages of a degree apprenticeship?
So I think there's advantages to both. It genuinely depends on your interests, what you're looking to do. But I think the advantage with degree apprenticeships in particular is that you get in the learning and you can actually reflect on that learning with what you're doing in the business. It's a really good opportunity to link the two together and see how you can actually apply your learning to your day-to-day role.
That's brilliant. But also, here working at JCB, I know you've been through a few roles here, which are different throughout your apprenticeship. Could you tell me a little bit about them?
Yeah, so we have the opportunity to move around loads of different departments in the business, and not just at one unit either. People move to America, etc., and they can do placements everywhere within JCB. So I'm in my third placement now. So I started off in marketing when I joined, which was a really good opportunity. It gave me a lot of experience with loads of different products, and I got to oversee quite a lot of the business, and it's a really good opportunity to talk to multiple different departments. And then I moved into one of our projects, which was setting up our new SAP system, which was completely different from marketing and gave me a completely different outlook on very much a different side of the business, to do with like logistics, the ordering system, how all that works. And then now I'm in product in large excavators, which is a very good central role. You speak to most of the business between purchasing, finance, engineering, projects, sales, marketing. So it's a really good opportunity to meet a lot of people, make a lot of connections and learn a lot about the business.
So all around throughout your apprenticeship, you're going through so many different roles here at JCB. You're going to get an all-round feel for the business and a better understanding. How do you think that will benefit people in the long run who are trying to progress throughout their apprenticeship afterwards?
Yeah, exactly. So like you said, you move around a lot, you learn a lot, and the benefit to this is obviously you're making loads of different connections within the business, and a lot of what we do, it impacts a lot of other departments. So you build a network of people that you know to contact for different situations and problems, and you know where to go. And it also helps you with whatever role you decide to do, you know the impact that's going to have on the other departments and how they might factor into what you're doing.
So the thing is, with an apprenticeship, you're going to get a big financial difference compared to if you go to university, especially a lot more job experience as well compared to if you're at university. You're going to gain a lot more skills and you're going to be ahead financially compared to a lot of people that are going to uni. That's why I think apprenticeships are the way to go, especially here at JCB. Also, just to let you guys know, all apprenticeship slots here at JCB have opened up for application today. So go and head over to Careers JCB, go search that in Google and have a look at the different apprenticeship options that you can go and be part of and join the business at JCB. Thank you, Tilly, for your time.
Thank you.